I have pages and words. You read me for fun. Am I a book or a box? The answer is book. I make a buzzing sound and love flowers. Am I a butterfly or a bee? That's right, it's bee. I help you see things far away. Am I a binocular or a pillow? The correct answer is binocular. I have black spots and love milk. Am I a cow or a zebra? Yes, it's cow. I'm hot and baked. You eat me with cheese. Am I a pizza or a donut? The answer is pizza. I am yellow and found in the sky. Am I the sun or a star? That's right, it's sun. I make you wet and fall from clouds. Am I rain or fire? The correct answer is rain. I have wings and fly at night. Am I a bat or a penguin? Yes, it's bat. I'm sweet and made from milk. Am I cheese or chocolate? The answer is chocolate. I'm green and eat bamboo all day. Am I a panda or a bear? That's right, it's panda. You wear me on your feet. Am I a shoe or a hat? The correct answer is shoe. I live in the water and have fins. Am I a fish or a bird? Yes, it's fish.